Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fit at your home. Today I am going to take a EVS class. In last class, what I have taught you? In last class, I taught you about the animals and their what? Animals and their babies. Today we'll learn animals and their homes. Animals having the specific home and their homes and their the specific names. We'll discuss one by one what are their names. We'll discuss all the spelling one by one. First one in your EPS book, 34 page, animals and their homes. We'll discuss one by one. What is the first one? Monkey. What is the first one? Monkey. Monkey. Monkey lives in trees. Monkey lives in trees. Monkey home is called tree. What is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Monkey jumps from one tree to another tree. Monkey home is called tree. Next one, spider. Spider. Spider lives in web. Spider lives in web. What is the spelling of web? W-E-B. Web. W-E-B. Web. Spider lives in web. Next one, bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird lives in nest. What is the spelling of nest? N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. What is the next one? Bee. B-double-E-D. Bee lives in hive. H-I-V-E. Hive. What is the spelling of hive? H-I-V-E. Hive. Bee lives in hive. Next one, lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion lives in den. What is the spelling of den? D-E-N. Den. D-E-N. Den. Next one, fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish lives in pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. What is the spelling of pond? P-O-N-D. Pond. Next one, ant. A-N-T. Ant. Next one, ant. Ant lives in ant hill. Hill. What is the spelling of hill? H-I-L-L. Hill. Ant lives in hill. Ant lives in hill. Ant lives in hill. Next one, rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. What is the spelling of burrow? B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow. Next one, frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Frog lives in also pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. Next one, mouse. Mouse lives in burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow. Next one, cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow lives in shed. What is the spelling of shed? S-H-E-D. Shed. S-H-E-D. Shed. Cow lives in shed. Next one, horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse lives in stable. Horse home is called stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. The last three remainings we'll learn. After again you will learn. First, all of you read with me. Monkey, tree. Spider, web. Bird, nest. Bee, hive. Lion, den. Fish, pond. Ant hill. Rabbit, burrow. Frog, pond. Mouse, burrow. Cow, shed. Horse, stable. Next one is sheep. Sheep lives in sheep home is called barn. What is the spelling of barn? B-A-R-N. Barn. B-A-R-N. Barn. Sheep, barn. Sheep, barn. Dog lives in kennel. What is the spelling of kennel? K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L. Kennel. Dog, kennel. dog, kennel. Duck. Next one, duck. Duck lives in pond. Duck, pond. What is the spelling of pond? P-O-N-D, pond. Duck, pond. Sheep, bun. Dog, kennel. Duck, pond. Okay, children, you have to practice all the animals, homes, spelling properly at your home. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again.